So before I started Pure Romance, I was a single mom of 2. I was newly divorced, and I was actually facing a layoff from Ford Motor Company. And I was just worried about being able to provide for my children. And so I decided to get started and just to make some extra money for my car payment. And then here we are 10 years later, and you know, I'm married to the love of my life. We have 4 children, and this is something I could never imagine not having in my life. This has led me to my best life because I can provide for my family, and I don't have to worry about bills not being paid. I can plan vacations, I can plan our future, and I mean, that's something that you can't really put a price tag on. I am in competition with myself, that's for sure. Every year I just try to apply everything that I've learned at our corporate trainings and you know, from also other consultants, that I try to apply to my business and just put my personal spin on it. And every year I track just to kind of beat my goals from the year before. So my hashtag is hundreds, like hashtag hundreds all the time, because I have always, since I was very young in the business, I've always looked at my business as like, I would want hundreds of women to help me serve the mission of Pure Romance and host parties and distribute the product. For me, it was, so our team had like a $3 million goal. The only thing that I knew that I could be responsible for is how many women I could actually bring in. So if I wanted to hit this $3 million goal, instead of falling short of it, I need to hire more women because I can't do it by myself.